Welcome to Rick's Rips.
Alright guys, got a quick little review video coming your way for these two Allen and Ginter blasters I got through Target. I actually got them on the app. There's a Discord group I'm in, and they kind of sent out a message to everybody saying Allen and Ginter's on there. So I grabbed two because the Target Circle app had a 15% off coupon, so that made these like 17 each, which is a really good deal. You can find these in the store, especially the loose packs, but this is a weird set. It's got like non-baseball players in there, like people like Chip and Joanna from the HGTV shows. It's got women's soccer team players, personalities, comedians, ludicrous, all kinds of weird stuff. So let's open these up. Let's find something weird. Hopefully something that we can sell good. And let's get a Lou Bob rookie.
Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
All right, I forgot to mention there's other weird stuff you can find too. Things like skyscraper cards, farm animals, rocks, including fossilized dinosaur teeth and stuff like that. What was the other weird one? Oh, like places where monsters hide. So it's a weird set. Last time I opened this set was in 2007 when Phil Hughes' rookie card was in it, and I actually had one sent to Tim when I did a deal with him a while back. So that's interesting. But anyways, let's go ahead and start opening these up and see what we got. The main thing I want Luis Robert rookie, and then I want a couple women's national team cards if possible. All right, Big Mac, that's a cool start. Rendon, Perez, Matt Olson for the A's. I'm not sure if that's a special back or not, so we'll have to find out. There's one of those rock cards, and then J.K. Dobbins. I think he's the only football player included this year. Not sure if that Olson's normal or not, but we'll figure it out in just a second here. Sorry. Gavin Lux rookie, that's probably pretty cool. Bagwell, Verdugo, Messina, and that looks exactly like the other one. Rooster, a Rooster card. That was backwards. Is that a hit? I don't. It's a card with the Rooster on it, and it was backwards in the pack. I'm not sure if that's a chase card or not. Here, let's look. Base cards, short prints, blah, 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 blah. Nah, it's not easy to tell from the back of the pack. So, I don't know. Maybe Roosters are hard to find. There we go. You see what I see on the back there. Fried, Banks, Tim Raines. Oh, my daughter's going to love this. Great White Shark, the behemoths beneath. Riley, come here. Riley, come here real quick. Look what I got. What is that?
Salt.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a ring pop? There's that Luis Robert rookie. Let's leave that up. I'm not sure if that shark card, I haven't seen one of those pulled yet. You gotta figure if it's based on like which one's most popular, and it's like deep sea animals or deep sea fish, I should say. Shark's got to be up there, right? Lou Bob rookie. Okay, so I'm happy. That's the main one I was looking for. A shark and a panther in one pack. Flaherty. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this new setup here. Johnson, Eloy, a gazelle. Interesting. The Burj Khalifa and Cal Ripken Jr. Burj Khalifa is a pretty cool looking building. Alright, I think we got our first like celebrity card here. Joe Mauer, Willie Mays, Raleigh Fingers, Paul Molitor. I think that's the back that doesn't have numbers. Trevor Story, a debut to remember. Fotheringham, yeah, wheelchair motocross athlete. That's cool. So I don't know what to. I mean, it's going to take me a little bit to figure out which of those mini cards are the chase ones. I'm sure there's probably one that's worth something. George Brett, Gary Carter, Merrifield. Ooh, where monsters hide, a cave. Those are glow in the dark, by the way. Long ball lore. Chris Bryant, Stan the Man. Right, 2 more packs in the first blaster. These are, I don't know, these are fun. But you're not, well, I shouldn't say you're not gonna get rich. It's hard to get the big stuff on these, but they're fun though. Mariano Rivera, Wade Boggs, De Jong. That's also the one with the numbers on with the written out numbers on the back. Field General Sandy Alomar. I don't know who that is. Derek Gold, the baseball writer. Okay. All right, last one from the first pack. Make some room here, and then we'll go on to pack number 2. Ketel Marte, Hoskins, Bryant, Verlander, Ginter back, the Tractor, and Eddie Murray. So maybe the Ginter backs are the rare ones. Let's see for the minis. Yeah, Ginter back minis, 1 in 5 packs, and we got 2 of them in that one. Cool. Right. No national team players yet, but we did get that Luis Robert, so that's cool. Arcia, Bell, Tommy Lasorda, Larry Walker. On the Farm, the Farmer, and Didi. These are silly. Contreras, Martinez, Zach Galen, McKay rookie, Ginterback, Mike Piazza, Francisco Lindor. I don't know why some of these, I guess they're inserts. Why some of them are backwards and other ones aren't? That doesn't make sense. David Price, Big Mac, Weaver, another behemoth beneath, the Portuguese Man of War. Very dangerous. Stan Musial, Harvey rookie card. Rendon, so we're already getting some doubles. David Wright, Brandon Lau. Bugging out, Peacock Spider. Okay. Stripling, debut to remember. Manny Machado. Hopefully that Peacock Spider is ultra rare. Yastrzemski, Springer, Perez, Todd Helton regular, the Wilshire Grand Center, and Yamamoto rookie. 3 more. Noah, Smoltz, Urquidy, The Swamp, Where Monsters Live, Turquoise, Tim Anderson. 2 more. Gehrig, Bellinger, Goose Gossage, Robin Yount, regular. On the Farm, a dog. Mauricio Dubon, rookie card. least the rookies seem to land about one every pack or every other pack. That's kind of cool. All right, last pack here. Oh, we got something. We got something cool. Hamels. Real Muto. Okay, I think I'm on the back of this card. Oh, it's upside down. Hang on. FT. Is that Frank Thomas? Genuine Tops. Allen and Ginter. Relic card. Features memorabilia from Fernando Tatis Jr. And a Jim Palmer Ginter back. Sweet. Tatis Jr. game used back card. That's cool. From a little blaster. Not sure. Let me see if this goes in a regular sleeve or if this needs to be in a thick boy. All right, I'm gonna put that in a big sleeve later, but that's cool. That's our big hit. Game used bat, Fernando Tatis Jr. Doesn't appear to be numbered or anything like that. Other potential hits, gosh, it's so hard to tell on these. The Ginter back ones are the ones you're looking for. So McKay rookie Ginter back. My personal favorite, the Great White Shark. Olsen Ginter back. And then the one card we were hunting for is the Lubob rookie card. Good stuff. Appreciate it, guys. If you can get this, like I said, you're probably not gonna make a triple, quadruple your money, but if you can get this with the Target Circle app discount and you can get a hit or two, I think you can easily make your money back. So that's what I would be looking at if I was to buy any more of this product. Right now, guys, leave me a like and a subscribe. Share this video if you want. If you're interested in anything, just shoot me a quick DM and I'll get back to you as quick as possible. Thanks.